2022 Range Rover, new model. But this car has got that wow factor about, and it's because of the colour. Fuji White, Shadowline exterior pack, so you've got that beautiful graphite exterior. It's got the 23-inch wheels. It's got a contrasting black roof. It's got a sliding sunroof as well. And I've just looked at what cars are available. There's hardly no white ones. This car's going to be priced as the best priced new generation Range Rover for sale in the country. So you're going to have that anyway, but then you've got the presence of the look of the car. And I think with it being white, it shows off all the features. So the Shadowline exterior styling gives you this graphite badging, the graphite colour around the grille, and the sections along there. You've got these beautiful new sweeping LED digital headlights. But then it's got the black contrasting roof, which works really, really well. Wheels, massive, massive optional extras. So they're 23-inch wheels, finished in gloss black, split spoke, look really well against a white car. You've then got the Atlas vents in graphite. Now this is what I like. So if you look at the car from the side, you've got white, you've got the contrasting black roof, we've got privacy glass, you've got that new section which comes out along the bottom of the doors, so it breaks it up, deployable door handles, spoiler, and then look at the back with them beautiful new LED lights at the back. You've then got the black into the white along the back there, and then that big rear bumper. Look at the size of this. This is finished in gloss black, and it's part of the new Range Rover. The car's a 300 horsepower, 3-litre diesel, and this car's an SE, but they come with beautiful specs. So you've got things like soft closed doors as standard. Options on the car are the wheels, the roof. The interior is black leather, which is heated. You've got the gloss black grand veneer here. So this is this like piano black, if you like, on the door cards. Memory seats, we've got Meridian surround, we've got a heated steering wheel, beautiful interior, and then you've got a lighter roof lining with a sliding sunroof. But I just think the car looks a real flash. You know, if you see it on the road, white 23s, shadow line, and the contrasting black roof just gives it that big presence. The car's done 4,241 miles. Now, I would say over the last couple of months I've sold lots of big new Range Rovers like this, but they're drying up. You know, we're buying them every day. There isn't many cars to buy, so I think we're down to one left on the website. This car's just came in, it'll sell, it's priced to sell. Heated steering wheel, as I mentioned, adaptive cruise control, digital cockpit. You've got this beautiful 13.1-inch screen which has got all your new extras. So I'm going to just show you some of the key features. So we've got Alexa, you've got the vents, cabin lighting, which is a great feature. So you've got all the different styles. So at the moment it's in ultraviolet, we can change it ocean blue, sunset orange, all the little features there. Camera system is superb. You've got full 3D top view and camera system. If I slide this is this gloss black grand veneer, which is lovely as well. Suits the car on the outside, the interior colour. Slide that back, you've got wireless charging there, and then you've got the extra storage here. Internal blind, and then you've got the tilt and slide sunroof. Again, massive, massive options. And I think always when people have spoke to me about Land Rovers, how do you spec them? Liam, what should I put on the car? 23-inch wheels, sliding sunroof, Shadowline exterior, contrasting black roof. They're the key things, and this car's got it, and it works really well against a white car. Other little features I'll quickly show you. Just you've got your seats, you've got your heated seats, driver and passenger, and even the bolsters are all electronic, so you can adjust them all by the touch of a button. Space, beautiful. You've got lots of space here and so much room in the back. Very, very comfortable to drive. You've got the four-wheel steering now, so the car drives completely different to the old model. You've got rear electric seats in here now. You've got your Meridian speakers, rear heated seats. This car's got privacy glass, so it's all tinted in the back, which just adds to that look. And then, just to show you, boot space on the new Range Rover is huge. Split folding. massive. And if you want to drop them seats down, there's 2 buttons there. You can press them and drop all seats down flush. So that'll sell because of the colour, the wheels, the contrast and roof. You can see now with that roof open, it looks really, really well. It's going live and it's priced really, really well to sell. Look at these new LED lights now. You can see them with the car running. It's going live. If you want to get the car secured, you can. Thanks for watching.